Today we'll be unlocking and doing a quick review of the
Motorola.
new Edge Motorola Edge 70 Fusion.
Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
So here's the first look of the mobile. So it comes with a 68-watt charger and also a cable. And here's the phone. I'll peel the cover off. Okay, so here's the phone. And it has a really nice back to touch. And it feels really smooth. And it comes with and looks pretty nice to me. And it has so it has turned on. Wait, what's happening? I don't know. There's a dead robot. The Android bot just lying there. No, what is? Acha, I have to click that. Okay. Oh, so that started.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto. No, it's turning on.
The screen is very sharp
Vibrant
and
and
clean.
bright, and yeah, it's very sharp, vibrant, bright.
So the camera,
T-
okay,
It
and
looks
it's a
really.
curved glass.
Oh yeah.
It's a curved glass, right?
Yes, it is. Looks so good. English version settings India, yes. Connect to mobile network. Insert.